My name is Dr. Danielle Loader, and I am a professor of biology here at Bethany College. So the goal with this program is to have a really kind of state-of-the-art, authentic anatomical experience for students here. This will involve cadaver dissection, which is human body donors, and an additional lab space where they can do study and other animal dissections as well. And the goal really is to get students engaged in this high level of learning that will be beneficial for them, whether they're going on to medical school or physical therapy school, dental, optometry. This will be great for a lot of our pre-professional health students. It can also be good for some exercise science students. And I've even had some people in the music department ask if they could come and look at the throat anatomy to see that kind of stuff too once it's up and going. So I think it can serve a lot of different kind of avenues on campus. And it's something that's really unique for a small school to be able to offer. It's not something that's offered, at either of the towns neighboring to us at either of those colleges either. And so it's something that can be pretty unique to Bethany and provide our students with a really authentic educational experience. With any kind of program like this, you have to have lab spaces that are intentionally designed and equipped to handle the types of chemicals that come with cadaver dissection. And so we have two spaces in the Nelson Science Building here that are not currently being used, and they need updated in order to be able to be used for this type of lab. And so the grant money from the Nutt Foundation will be able to help us to renovate those spaces and get them up to date so that they can be used for these labs. So these are things like ventilation, specialized plumbing and stuff like that will help for this, as well as some educational tools for the students, so different anatomical models for students to use to compare, and the tools and lab equipment that are needed for the cadaver dissection as well. I am most excited to see students engage with the dissection. So a lot of students, although hesitant at first, typically end up getting very excited about it. It's something that they really buy into. It's a lot of work. And so any time when you can get students to put in a lot of work, but be excited about it, as an educator makes me very excited. I have experience teaching undergraduate students with cadaver dissection and medical students with cadaver dissection, and just seeing their kind of aha moments of, it doesn't always look like a textbook image. The textbook might look very clean and organized and everything's color-coded, and they get in there to the actual body and they find out that on one hand, it doesn't look like the textbook, but on the other hand, the organization is truly beautiful. It's really, really neat to see that and to see students realize that and learn, anatomy straight from the source, from the human body. So I'm really excited to see students kind of dive into that and engage with that and watch them be excited, because I know they will be.